Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Robux to your Roblox account. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, we'll show you how you can redeem a Robux card if you've got one, and secondly, how you can buy Robux, as that's another way of adding it to your account. If you've got a Robux card to redeem, click on Gear icon in the top right and scroll down. Click on Help and Safety. Here, click on Help Center. And in the search, you then need to go and search for Redeem. From the results here, click on How to Redeem and Spend Your Gift Card. And you can scroll down and click on roblox.com/redeem. Here you can enter your code, click on Redeem, and it will be added to your account. Alternatively, if you want to go and buy Robux to add it to your account, click on the Robux icon in the top right and select Buy Robux. You can then scroll down and choose the amount of Robux you want to go and purchase. For example, I want to go and get this package here. I'll go and click on the amount. And what we can then do is go and purchase the Robux, and after you purchase, it will be added to your account. So that's basically how you can add Robux to your Roblox account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.